Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. For those that haven't been here before, my name's Anna and I am coming to you from the Valley of the Rocks Hotel in Lynton, which I think is the worst rated hotel in Lynton. It's the cheapest too. We stayed here last night. I'm going to give you a room tour. Okay, so we're in room 80. I'm going to start off with the bathroom. Now, as you come in here, you might notice there's no curtains, which is a little bit unusual. Brilliant view though. But also people are getting a view in here because you're stepping out the shower and I reckon people could see in. So there's no curtains. We've also got this, oh my God. That's quite loose actually, bit of a broken window. Oh, I should just explain as well, I forgot to pack my contact lenses and my dog Jeff has broken my glasses, so that's why I'm walking around like this. Okay, so one of the biggest things that people were saying on the review sites was there's no hot water here, so quite often guests are arriving and they're saying there's no hot water. I can confirm we did have hot water, no issues with the shower at all. I was a bit excited because it's got like a hair and body kind of dispenser for body wash, but there's none in there and there's none in the soap either, so we had to utilise this because we forgot a lot of our toiletries as well. So there are little things which I just noticed, like that's under the toilet. It's quite grim. They did give us plenty of towels, but I think the biggest issue in here really is the curtain situation. It's not very private. So, coming out of the bathroom, you've got quite a long kind of corridor when you come in as well. Okay, so this is a double sea view room. You can get rooms that aren't sea view and they're, I think, about £20 cheaper. So everything's, you know, pretty fine. The bed was comfortable. You've got a kettle. You can see we've attached the tea tray. Iron and ironing board. But this is really the best part of the room. And it's the view. I think that's the busiest graveyard I've seen. There's people in there all the time walking their dogs and things. And you can actually hear the sea. So, such a beautiful view. And that's the town of Lynton over there. And if you look closely over there, you can see the massive long road that I drove Hector up. And over here we have the Valley of the Rocks picture, after its namesake. You've got plugs next to the bed and USB ports. You've got a TV, which I've noticed it's also got USB ports, so you can bring your Fire Stick. The decoration, yeah, it's not brilliant. It's flaking away a little bit. It's a random triangle over there. What, the triangle? Okay, so that is Warren. Loving it, loving the room. And it is a perfect room. Really, it's hot. It's very, very hot. There is no air conditioning, but it has got everything you need. And it was clean. I will give you a tour of the rest of the hotel, which is a bit like the overlook in The Shining. So for the room you've just seen, we paid just over £70 for the night. And you can't argue with that. There are some campsites that charge that price. There's no facilities at this hotel, so they no longer have a restaurant or bar, which is probably why it's cheaper to book here. But I would say this is probably one of the best views you're going to get from the hotels, certainly up in Lynton. Let's go. Go in the death lift. Are you going down the stairs? Oh, yeah. definitely do with like a lick of paint. It's going down the shining stairs. Oh God.
Doors closing.
Why is it making that noise? I'm going to end up on a Mr. Borden story, aren't I? I don't like this lift. Listen to it. It's haunted. Lounge and reception. There's a restaurant through there, but it's closed off. They have got this area to chill in. So no breakfast or food or drinks. I think this bit's really pretty. It's very unusual. I don't know why. It's like everyone waving from the Titanic. So down in this area, looks really nicely decorated and clean. This piano. It'd be quite cosy in the winter. Bit of a garden area. I'm just going to look through here. Look at the old fireplace. Sam used to have one like that. It's pretty. Ladies, this is just a ladies' room. Creepy bell system. Oh, how nice. You got some board games, some books. That's sweet. I could have come down and got a book. Oh, I thought that was Hexworthy then. Oh, yeah, well, am I coming to the car or are you coming back to me? So that's the outside. Looks like there's a lot of rooms. I'm going to go down the other side so I can see my room. So I think we were right at the top there, maybe. I don't know. But you can see that was a beautiful hotel in its time. It is, I think, Victorian, or predates Victorian. And as I said, it does really get a slating online. But I think in fairness, the rooms start from about £50. We did pay £70 for ours, you know, and it was worth it. I just think they could do amazing things with it. And yeah, quite close to the graveyard though. Actually, when you look at it, I don't know if that part's part of the hotel. Must be. Yes, that was our room right up there. There's another room over there with like a balcony that looks quite fancy. Don't know if that's available to have as a room. It's a nice breeze here. I have to say as well, I've stayed in a few hotels in my time, quite a few. That one was creepy and it did give me weird vibes. There are some ghost stories attached to it and I think they have done like ghost investigations there. So I'm keen to go back and read all about that. So this is St Mary's in Lynton. We think that this is the best churchyard view in the country, but maybe we're biased. Let's have a little look. Okay, get ready for the view. Yeah, that's a pretty nice view. I don't think they are biased. If you know of a graveyard or church with a better view, let me know. So, does the Valley of the Rocks Hotel deserve all the 1-star reviews? I don't think so. I can see people would be disappointed if they weren't aware that the bar and restaurant aren't open, but I feel that's reflected in the price. We didn't have issues with the shower or lift, both of which are mentioned in the negative reviews. The only thing I was disappointed in was having to pre-book the car park. This wasn't mentioned on the hotel description or booking, and by the time we arrived it was full. I would definitely rate this hotel a 3.5 out of 5 for the view and the price. I would definitely stay again, but next time I'll be bringing my own curtains.